Hey everyone, it's Cody back for week 2. This week's a little bit more simple, I think, in that you only have one experience to do. It is somewhat time consuming, however. So, this experience is a summary and response essay. So, what you're going to do is you're going to watch this documentary film. It's called Meet the Patels. It's about an Indian couple and sort of the issues of arranged marriages, which is kind of interesting. And then after you've done that, you're going to write your summary and response essay. Okay, and so there's some detailed instructions here. Basically, in this assignment, you're going to develop two crucial skills: accurately and concisely summarizing a source and then responding to a source with your own well-reasoned opinions. Okay, and you can kind of look here through the skills that match up with the syllabus as well. So what you're going to do, and I've kind of outlined it here, what this should end up looking like. This is a little bit of a longer essay than the last one. You're going to watch the documentary, and you're going to take notes while you watch that. That's important. Although you can go back and rewatch it. It's on YouTube. It's free. So there are some annoying ads, which are kind of lame. But I hear, and you can tell me if this is wrong, but I've not tried this myself. But if you just kind of drag the cursor to the end of the movie, and then once it's over, click the rewatch button, I hear that the ads disappear. So I'm going to try that out when I watch it later today. So let me know if it works, or we'll learn together. Okay. So then your essay basically has these parts. You're going to summarize and respond to the video. You'll have an introduction and a thesis. So you're going to tell your audience what the title of the video is, what the topic of the movie is, and they're going to end a thesis which sort of sums up your argument about the movie. So whatever your opinion would be, that's where you kind of put this there. And then you'll launch into the summary, which should be about 250 words or so. So thorough overview, that's basically where you're just telling us what the film's about. You don't need to quote from the film because this is just a summary. It should be in your own words. So make sure you do that. And then you have a kind of a shorter response to the video, excuse me, which will be basically where you kind of think about your thoughts on this video and on the topics that are covered in Meet the Patels. They can be reactionary, they can be argumentative, whatever you want to do there as well. And then you'll have a conclusion that sort of wraps up your argument or your response. And then something memorable or from your own life that you can kind of remind the audience of your thesis with. Okay, and so these are the criteria here. I would like you to try to cite this source. I'm not going to take off. I'm going to give you the benefit of the doubt in terms of citation. But let me just say that if you go to the Purdue OWL APA, if you Google that, Purdue OWL APA, you'll be able to find resources on APA manuscripts style. And they even have, if you even just Google Purdue OWL YouTube citation, you'll be able to see how to cite this source as well. Okay, so it's brief, but it will take some time for you to complete today. I have no doubt. Give it the time it deserves. You have until the end of the week, obviously, to do this, but give your time at least twice to watch the film. I think it's like an hour and a half long. So just in case you want to go back and watch some specific points of it as well. So give yourself enough time to write, to watch the movie, and also do the summary and response. And that's it for this week. If you guys have questions, comments, anything you need to know, just shoot me an email and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks.